Welcome to the Mindful Age. I'm Dr. Ray. We here at the Mindful Age are honored you joined us today. Right now we're settling into a meditation space that's available to you today. There are no requirements for your meditation space. It's what is available to you. It's your choice. I also invite you to close your eyes if that's available to you. If not, just cast a soft gaze in your lap or the space in front of you. Now we're finding an anchor. Your anchor can be the breath, your hands, your feet, or the way the body feels making contact with a seat or a cushion or the floor, whatever you choose. And just soften yourself into place. Feel gravity holding you to the earth. Sometimes managing stress is about releasing it from all parts of your body. We get caught up in our day-to-day activities, and stress hides in different places throughout your body. The body scan today will help you release this tension. You may already notice some of these places: tight shoulders, clenched jaws, maybe even clenched hands. I just invite you now to just surrender to gravity and soften your body, starting with the tips of your toes. Bring awareness to the toes, and I invite you to slowly and evenly scan your whole body. Move slowly to your feet, your heels, your ankles, softening tension in the calves, softening the knees, softening your upper legs. Notice any muscles or parts of your body that feel tight or clenched. Just become aware of the tightness. Maybe breathe in and out of it, softening. Continue scanning. You can skip around to different parts of the body that you know are tense, or continue with the stomach, softening the muscles in the stomach and then the chest, softening the shoulders and the arms. Softening the hands. Bringing focus to your neck, a place that holds tension and anxiety. Bring an awareness to the neck, maybe softening the muscles here in the neck and then moving up to the face. Bringing this softening awareness to the jaws, the space around the eyes, the back of the head and the scalp. Maybe you see the entire body in this present moment awareness. And as you give in to gravity's pull, softening the entire body, maybe it feels as though you're getting heavier. We're softening our body and our senses. When you're ready, you can bring yourself back. Maybe your body feels softer now, maybe lighter, maybe more relaxed. I invite you to come back to this technique anytime you need it. Thank you for joining us here at the Mindful Age. I'm Dr. Ray, wishing you peace, love, and happiness.